and this is Neetal with Book for Books, and today we are back with another bookish video.
So Neetal, do you know what's my this year's honest goal?
No, what is it?
It's like I want to talk to books, I want to eat with books, and I even want to sleep with books.
I hope you stick with that because that's why we are making this video.
So should we tell people that what are we going to do?
Yeah, so both of us have picked 5 books. I have picked 5 books for Ronak and Ronak has picked 5 books for me. And we are going to read out the blurb of each book. And we are going to see the honest reaction of the other person and tell if we are going to read the book or not. So the authors and the book name
We're not going to tell the author and the name of the book.
Yeah, it's a secret, and I think
see the honest reaction.
To see the honest reaction. Yeah, right. Yeah. So I think we should start.
Yeah, we should start.
Okay, so Ronak, tell me what's the special thing about this video?
Yeah, so the most special thing about this video is that we have only selected Indian authors this time.
Yeah, so let's get started.
So Neetal, I'm going to read out the blurb and you have to tell that if you like this book or not.
Okay, go.
So this book is all about a girl, Meenal, who wants it all. A successful career at International Foods, a lifestyle to match, and a totally cool guy who will buy her diamonds, bring her flowers, and laugh at her jokes.
Well, who doesn't want that?
Yeah. So we can relate to it.
Yeah.
But given the unending record of how her life's embarrassments, it's not going to be that simple.
Well, I really like the, blurb.
Because she wants a guy.
No, it's not about that. It's like, it's very relatable. That's what every girl wants for herself. Like if she's independent, she wants a good guy and wants to do good for her. So I think I will read this book. So you have to tell me the name and the author.
So it's a yay from your side.
Yeah, it's a yay from my side.
So the book's name is Piece of Cake and the author is Swati Kaushal.
Oh, I really like Swati Kaushal. I've read one.
Okay.
Yeah, I read that book, A Girl Like Me. I think that's by Swati Kaushal. I read that book. It's amazing.
So now it's your turn.
Yeah. So, should I start?
Yeah.
Okay. 900 BC, in what modern Indians mistakenly call the Indus Valley Civilization, the inhabitants of the period called it the land of Maluha, a near-perfect empire created many centuries earlier by Lord Ram, one of the greatest monarchs that ever lived. This once proud empire and its Suryavanshi rulers faced severe perils as its primary river, the reverted Saraswati, is slowly drying to extinction. So what do you think?
I don't think this is my genre. Like, I won't read a book like this. I don't know.
Yeah.
This is not my genre, so.
It's actually more about, like, it's like a mythology.
Yeah, maybe, but I don't like to read.
Yeah, so it's basically Immortals of Malua by Amish. And it's okay, like, it's a nair from your side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Totally. So here comes the next story. So the story revolves around 2 management graduates in the rat race for success. Sundeep is ambitious and selfish, which leads him to achieve his goals through unethical means. Swami is the exact opposite, and as he sticks to his morals and ethics to ensure success in his career.
I think I'm gonna read it because like there are 2 different personalities and I love reading about personalities. So I'm gonna give it a shot. It's a yeah from my side.
Okay, so the book name is God If God Was a Banker, and the author's name is Ravi Subramanian.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
So I'll read out for you.
Yeah.
So this book takes us back to a time that is half history, half myth, and wholly magical. Narrated by Panchali, the wife of 5 Pandav brothers, we are finally given a woman's take on the timeless tale that is Mahabharata. Tracing Panchali's life from fiery birth and lonely childhood, where her beloved brother is her only true companion, through her complicated friendship with the enigmatic Krishna, to marriage, motherhood, and her secret attraction to the mysterious man who is her husband's most dangerous enemy. This book is all about that.
I think I'm going to give it a read.
You're going to give it a read? The book is The Palace of Illusions by Chitra Banerjee Dev Karuni.
My name is Aisha Bhatia. I'm 29 years old and single. I work as a guest relations manager at the Grand Orchard Hotel. I dine at luxury hotels and stay in 5 stars during my travels. I can name old and new world wines with great Ellen and tell my cheeses apart. I tolerate my job, hate my boss, and bond big time with my friends, while routinely suffering from umbilical cord whiplash. I really don't care for my vital stats at the moment, and I don't have a cute or a funny nickname either. Hence, this introduction, it stings but it sticks. So what
It's
I have
nice. It's really nice. I really want to look how her life, takes her, and I really want to read this book. So it's a yeah from my side.
Okay, so the book's name is Almost Single by Adwaita.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll read out to you. So, Renuka Sharma is a dutiful wife, mother, and a daughter in law holding the fort in a modest rental in Delhi while her husband tries to rack up savings in Dubai. Working as a receptionist and committed to finding a place for her family in the new Indian dream of air conditioned malls and high paid jobs at multinationals, life is going as planned until the day she strikes up a conversation with an uncommonly self possessed stranger at a metro station. Because while Mrs. Sharma may espouse traditional values, India is changing all around her. And it wouldn't be the end of the world if she came out of her shell for a little while, wouldn't it? So, what do you think about this book?
I think I'm gonna give it a read.
Yeah, so this book is The Private Life of Mrs. Sharma by Ratika Kapoor.
Okay. Okay, so almost everyone has a similar family story in India, and this is what Mrs. Funnybones, or rather Twinkle Khanna, pokes fun at. The husband who's the man of the house, the crazy mother-in-law, friends of course, the constant jibes at her weight make it an intriguing read. Everything comes together to leave the reader cackling away in laughter. So as you know, this is Mrs.
This is
Funnybones by
Mrs.
Twinkle
Sunnybones.
Khanna.
Yeah, I have heard so much about this book.
Yeah.
And I really thought of reading it, but then I didn't get the time. But I'm very sure I'm going to read it this time. It's very interesting, and I love Twinkle Khanna a bit.
Same
So,
here.
yeah. So your next, yeah. Akela Raina, the principal's precious daughter, was only 10 when she disappeared. Shyam, who was with her that fateful night, is daily haunted by a dream of it, a dream more grisly than reality could possibly be. Until Akila mysteriously reappears 20 years later, grown up and gorgeous. She tells him of surreal worlds, her travels between them, her encounters with strange creatures, their own connection across the realms, and the power that lies at the heart of it all. And then she shows him. Bold and passionate, Savage Blue is an unnerving ride into unknown worlds.
I think it's interesting. I like these kind of stories which are like mysterious and
Yeah. So it's a year from your
Yeah,
side.
it's
This book
totally
is
a year from my side.
yeah. This book is Savage Blue by Vikram
I like the name.
Balagopal.
I like the name.
Yeah.
Okay.
One
Yeah.
is
So
left.
last but not the least, COVID-19 pandemic has thrown our world into utter chaos, making the society focus on the most vital things in existence. It's not money or fame or power, but love itself. It's been a while since people have been forced to live with other people for such a seemingly interminable amount of time. Panic and tension seem to be the ultimate theme of each and every household. And yet, just like a new plant budding in a hopelessly barren land, love has been prospering all around. One just has to open their eyes and ears to listen all around.
Well, I've heard about this. I think I've read a little something of this. So I'm gonna give it a try. Like during
Sure,
the
you
whole
should.
thing, I should give it a try. Yeah, it's
So-
a year from my side.
So this is the 2020 Love Stories from Lockdown Days by Anushka Mehta.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I've heard of that. Okay, I'll read out to you the next. Nikhil catches a last minute flight from Delhi to Bengaluru on a personal mission, but it is only the beginning. Will his journey bear fruit or be an utter waste of time? Meanwhile, Vidya is meddling in matters she ought not to interfere in. Can love be delusional? With dark secrets buried deep, who will win this battle of wits? I've read this book and it's really lovely.
I think I will also give it a read. It's
Yeah.
very intriguing.
Yeah, so it's When I Find You by Shalini Savakar.
Okay.
Yeah, So that's all from my side. So this brings us to the end of this video, and it was a fun video indeed.
Yes, now I have a list of books that I'm going to read next.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And do let us know in the comments below that what books are you going to read next.
Thank you.